Which Indian ruler is known for shifting his capital from Delhi to Daulatabad? Answer C. Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Which constitutional amendment lowered the voting age in India from 21 years to 18 years? Answer is B. 61st Amendment. Which is the only active volcano in India? Answer is A. Barren Island. Which viceroy of India is associated with the partition of Bengal in 1905? Answer is A. Lord Curzon. Who was the first woman to become the chief minister of an Indian state? Answer is C. Sucheta Kripalani. Which of the following is the longest national highway in India? Answer is A. National Highway 44. Which Indian scientist developed the mathematical formula for the Bose-Einstein condensate? E. Satyendranath Bose. In which year was the first battle of Panipat fought? Answer is A. 1526. Which Indian city is known as the Oxford of the East? Answer is B. Pune. Who was the first Indian to qualify for the Indian Civil Service ICS? Answer is A. Satyendranath Tagore. Which Delhi Sultan introduced the Persian festival of Navroz in India? Answer is A. Balban. During which movement was the slogan "Do or Die" given? Answer is B. Quit India movement. Who was the first Indian Governor General of independent India? Answer is A. C. Rajagopalachari. Which act introduced the system of diarchy in India? Answer is C. Government of India Act 1919. Which revolutionary was involved in the attempt to assassinate Lord Hardinge in 1912? Answer is C. Rash Bihari Bose. Who founded the concept of integral humanism in Indian politics? Answer is A. Deen Dayal Upadhyaya. Who was the first woman to preside over the Indian National Congress? Answer is B. Annie Besant. Which Indian state has the largest forest cover by area? Answer is A. Madhya Pradesh. In which Indian state is the Loktak Lake located? Answer is B. Manipur. Which mountain pass connects Sikkim to Tibet? Answer is B. Nathula Pass. Which Indian physicist gave the Chandrasekhar limit related to white dwarf stars? Answer is D. Subramanian Chandrasekhar. Who is credited with the development of India's first supercomputer Param? Answer is C. Vijay Bhatkar. Which Indian state houses the Tumba Equatorial Rocket Launching Station? Answer is B. Kerala. In which year was the first Indian satellite Aryabhata launched? Answer is B. 1975. Which Indian sports personality is known as the Flying Sikh? Answer is B. Milkha Singh. Which Indian city is home to the National Defence Academy (NDA)? Answer is B. Pune. What is the motto of the Indian Navy? Answer is C. Samno Varuna. Which place is known as the tea capital of India? Answer is B. Assam. Which of the following is the national sports of India? Answer is B. Hockey. Which is the oldest mountain range in India? Answer is B. Aravalli Range.